Okay, everybody, good night.
Step how to make
Today, the last step
first
for
now
Hotbit application
is not take again
the Meter.
I can
The
use my
Meter is one of the application how to collect all of the data, the application that you have made by this
open the
application.
Hot Potatoes
Okay, step
application, then click
to collecting the data here. First, just add the file
This is the
and searching
menu
which
of
part of your file that have been saved by this place.
first,
Okay,
add
this
the
is my
title.
project
Add
for
title.
last month. This is the beautiful one.
Example,
I will
sport.
add you. I will import
Then
input
here,
it here.
at the mention, then
Okay.
you can
Just
create
enjoy.
everything, all of the sentence that you want. Just example, I want to
Okay,
go
after all this,
market. I
can
want
see?
to
This is J-Cross, Gmake,
market.
Potatoes, J-Quiz. This is
Then,
J-Quiz.
as extra.
And this is J-Close. After that, just
after you create your own sentence,
you will
here the
by
alternative way,
one.
this is
one
you can
web
create
page.
another
That's it.
sentence.
This very simple
Alternative.
application how to
Example,
collect
I will
the
give
data
you
become one
the
page.
example of
Okay, just
I have
follow
create
this.
before, so that's why you can enjoy it. This is the example.
This is the work.
Now, see, I have create the sentence, and this is the alternative one.
Okay, this is the
This is the main sentence,
I have.
and by the
This
sentence,
is,
you can create this
when
sentence.
you wanna
I will
try
play
to
some
test
sport
first,
with my friend
just click
in the
on the
yard.
first new
Alternative way,
Okay,
you can
start
erase some
sport.
part of this to be
This is
another sentence.
First question.
Yes, I will
then
play some sport
Michael
with
Jordan
my
that I have
friend
made before.
in the yard.
This
And
is
I will play some sport with my friend. Then my friend will play some sport in the yard.
First one that I have.
And etc. You can eat it more
This
as
is-
creative as you can.
This is
My friend
okay.
will some
I
sport
think
in the
enough
yard.
for
And as you can eat
tutorial
as creative as you
how
can.
to make
After you create this,
exercising for
just
students
save it.
using
Click new file on the corner
using what is it?
and find save.
Hot potatoes.
If you have credit,
Okay,
you can
don't
use
forget
save
to
as.
subscribe.
Then you
I
can
am
change the
Evans
name.
Drew Kamli
so on.
Viola.
Okay,
Thank
just
you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi
change the name. Evans Gmake done. Okay, just save. Okay. After you create the file, you can create as web page. Okay, this is web page. Okay, save and enjoy this game. This very interested for you. First, just pay attention to this mouse. Wait, you know that the color here I have modified in this section. You can see that there is a go to the configuration backpack and option. If you wanna have some color on the web page that I have made like this, I have choose the option here. You can click option, then toolbar option. Oh no, sorry. Click menu option, then configure output. Nah, here displays like the button, the appearance. You can change this color. Just example, if you like red or green, just you can change this color. The title you can choose which color that you like. Okay, just choose the right one and click OK. So that's why the title here become a red one, and so on. You can use a timer, just minute timer how long your student will answer this question. Another, okay, just use as creative as you can. Then create, save again, and click web page. Yes, here's the finishing of our words. Now how to make it? Just click one eye. So you click eye directly in here. Will play sport in the yard. Okay, just check it. Wow, sorry, you got it wrong. Okay, and you can enjoy display again. So that's why you can create as creative as you can. Okay, thank you. That's I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.